The first thing that I wake up to is warm water. Drinking warm water on a daily basis can increase your body temperature and release toxins from the body. And so it prevents the growth of acne, moisturizes your skin, improves circulation of your organs. The cells are deconstructed and your skin will gain nutrition from the liquid. Just that. But it helps in losing weight, assists in nasal and throat congestion, relieves you of menstrual cramps, detoxifies your body. It prevents premature aging, prevents acne and pimples, promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff, and boosts your blood circulation. So, drink up! Next, I go to my favorite spot and soak in the sun in its mightiest, requesting and praying for it to shower me with its brightest and the most intense, and chant my Surya Gayatri mantra. Om Bhaskaraya Vidmahe Mahatejaya Dhimahi Tannah Suryah Prachodayat. And now I cuddle up into another favorite spot of mine where the sun is still shining bright upon me. And this time is where I infuse the goodness of the coconut water, one sip at a time. Slowly and steadily rolling it into my mouth and enjoying the sun along the way. Every sip nourishes every cell in my body, makes me feel taken care of, loved, pampered. This is self-love for me, my quiet time, my nourishing time. It's one thing to meditate first thing in the morning after I've had my warm water. That's what I do at 5 a.m. But it's another thing to meditate in the sun. And this is how I give myself the love I need.